Salam Inovator. Hi, I'm Rubian Jelasan as the representative of Wahid University for
The 8th Undergraduate Research Competition Abu Dhabi University.
and I'm standing here proud to present my innovative idea with the title
Oliswell, an herbal candy from Patikan Kebo Euphorbia hirta as an alternative healing therapy for people with dengue fever.
and
Dengue fever is an acute disease caused by the dengue virus, which is transmitted by the Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Dengue hemorrhagic fever is commonly found in tropical and subtropical areas. World Health Organization in 2011 reported that every year 50 million of world's population are infected with the dengue virus and 2.5% of them are passed away. Data from World Health Organization also shows that Asia has the first rank of the number of dengue sufferers each year. Starting from 1968, the World Health Organization also records Indonesia as the country with the highest dengue hemorrhagic fever cases in Southeast Asia. Government and society continue to make efforts to tackle the dengue problem through preventive, promotive, and curative efforts. Activities carried out include focus and mass fogging, vaccination by feeding larvae eating fish, distributing brochures containing prevention and prevention program for dengue fever, such as the 3M program, namely menguras or draining, menutup closing, and mendaur ulang barang bekas or recycling used goods. However, the number of dengue hemorrhagic fever patients, especially in Indonesia, is still relatively high. One of alternative plants that has the potential to overcome dengue fever but is often considered as a weed by the society is Patikan Kebo or Euphorbia hirta. Pereira in 2018 reported that Patikan Kebo was effective in increasing the blood platelet count and contained anti-dengue that was effective in reducing 85% the plaque-forming capacity of dengue virus serotype 1 from 1400 to 200 TFU. Based on this, Patikan Kebo has the potential to further develop as the agent to increase the number of platelets in dengue hemorrhagic fever patients. According from the explanation above, the authors offer a solution by using Euphorbia hirta or Patikan Kebo as an alternative herbal treatment by combining ginger and honey for dengue suffer as blood platelet enhancer by being applied in the form of an innovative product in the form of an Oliswell herbal candy. Oliswell is a herbal candy made from the Patikan Kebo or Euphorbia hirta plant combined with ginger and honey. The purpose of making the product is to innovate herbal medicine for dengue fever sufferers. Due to the news that many people have contracted dengue fever lately, the authors made this Oliswell innovation. And this is the SWOT analysis for Oliswell candy. Methods of making Oliswell, starting with preparing the ingredients and clean by water. Then boiling Patikan Kebo and ginger with clean water in the different places. The next step are mixing and adding gelatin with ice water. Continuing the steps, stirring all ingredients slowly until mixed up. After that, Oliswell candy ready to serve and ready to consume. The organoleptic test was analyzed from its sensory properties using a quantitative affective test of the favorite type or hedonic test through distributing questionnaire to obtain data about differences in color, aroma, taste, and texture. Panelists were randomly selected or untrained panelists and total 25 people. This test used two samples where the first sample is with code 468 with composition of 150 ml Patikan Kebo, 50 ml ginger, 35 gram gelatin, and 75 ml honey. Meanwhile, for the second formulation, the sample with code 213, which formulated 100 ml Patikan Kebo, 100 ml ginger, 75 gram gelatin, and 150 ml honey. Assessment of the sample in the form of the level of liking from 1 to 5, with 1 very dislike, 2 dislike, 3 neutral, 4 like it, and 5 very much like it. And the data of quantitative affective test is processing and analyzed by ANOVA analysis. From the test result and the ANOVA analysis, it can be concluded that overall the most preferred sample is sample 468. The product quality testing plan is carried out in vitro and organoleptic tests. The in vitro test was carried out on egg mice to determine the effectiveness of the olive oil candy in increasing the platelet count according to the Cabral. Times of treatment per day as much as 10 ml for 3 days. Meanwhile, the organoleptic test to determine the respondent level of preferences was carried out according to the producer of Kartika et al. In 1988, with an assessment that includes color, taste, aroma, and texture. Cabral in 2011 report that testing 150 ml Patikan Kebo or Euphorbia hirta boiled water was proven to increase the number of platelets in mice within 3 days. And this is stable assumption of use olive oil to face dengue. Patikan Kebo or Euphorbia hirta contain lipilizide in boiled water of Patikan Kebo, which has been shown to be effective in increasing the blood platelet count. Contain anti-dengue, which effectively reduce 85% the plaque-forming capacity of dengue virus serotypes. Containing antiviral Euphorbia ethanol extract showed that 35.7% inhibition of serotype 2 virus in vitro condition, and also contain quercetin, myricetin, rutin, camphorol, gallic acid, and photocationic acid, which can fight the dengue virus. The content of the ginger or Zingiber officinale includes strong antioxidant that is effective in overcoming inflammation. Contain essential oil as much as 2 until 3%, which is anti-inflammatory. Important nutrition elements such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and beta-carotene, vitamin C, sogol, and gingerol compounds also function as anti-nausea. Honey contains acetylcholine, which has function to improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. Honey contains sugar that is easily absorbed by the blood compared to the sugar in general, so that it produces fresh energy too. Honey also contains various kinds of vitamins such as vitamin A, B1, B2, and several minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and even iodine. Honey also contains antibiotic and organic acid such as malic acid, lactic acid, and oxalic acid. The conclusion that can be drawn from this scientific paper are Patikan Kebo or Euphorbia hirta by combining with ginger and honey, which is contains quercetin, anti-dengue, gingerol, and sogol, potential to be used as herbal medicine as an alternative treatment for fever bloody. Why to make herbal candy combination with Patikan Kebo, ginger by mixing boiling water with both ingredient and add honey and plus gelatin as cherry candy produced by Olive Oil Candy. There are no similar product on the market yet, so product with innovation which is packed with this contemporary marketing strategy is very visible commercially widely, and it is possible to collaborate with herbal company.
That's enough for my presentation. Thank you for your attention and salam inovator.